Hey lovelies, so today we're going to be talking about part 16 of being your own resource, and I'm really excited because this is the guide to the best membership platforms for success. So there's a bunch of different membership platforms, and I'm really excited to tell you about all of them. So which platform has the most features? Well, Uscreen.tv is an all-in-one video catalog. You can live stream, monetize your content, and you can even have your own app, and you can upload videos directly on there without including YouTube in the process. And it's basically like having your own Netflix or having your own Disney Plus, that you get to decide the price and you get to decide the content and you get to release the content as you please. So the next one is, should I use Patreon to fund my creation? Yes, Patreon is free to use. They do charge like a processing fee when you take out your money, but it's free to put your content on there to begin, and you only pay as you actually start earning money. And when I say it's free, it means that you will never have to pay a penny out of your own pocket. You'll only have to give them a tiny little share, like it's between 2% and 10% of whatever your earnings are per month. And it all depends on how much support and how much you want them to do for you. The less they do for you, the more money you keep in your pocket. But obviously they're a platform that needs to make money, so that they'll never take money from you without you earning first. So it's always earn, and then they take a processing fee for your earnings. So are channel memberships better than your own website? Well, channel memberships are free, and the thing is that Patreon is a better way to go because you get to keep more of your money, whereas YouTube memberships, they do take a larger cut of your earnings. So because you get your YouTube memberships paid at the same check as your AdSense, so it's the same cut. What are the main membership platforms for YouTubers? Well, obviously Patreon, Uscreen TV, YouTube memberships. A lot of people will use OF or Fansly or stuff like that, but that's if you're a certain type of creator and if you want to be associated with those type of creators. Should you create a special Instagram feed? Well, there is a thing that you can create a special Instagram feed, but it does help you market your brand awareness, but I honestly think that it'd be better to do that with Snapchat. So the next set of pages, should you be making live streams membership only? Only if you have people in your memberships, because if they want to interact with you, they have to pay, obviously. And so if you make a live stream and nobody's in your memberships, it's not really going to help you that much. How much does YouTube take of your income? 45% of all your AdSense and membership revenue. Does Kajabi membership hosting worth the cost? Why? Yes, because you don't have to worry on technical stuff or web design. It's done for you. Best place to host courses for free? Teachable. And why? Because your first course is free, and once you've obviously made a good income on your first course, it's obviously worth paying so that you can have your next one and your next one, because the launches will help you with that. And also you can always delete a course and then add a new one. If you know your first course didn't do that well, you can always add to it and change what you put on there. What is Memberful? Memberful is a flexible membership software that can suit any audience. It's fully hosted, has a dashboard analytics, and easy member management, and you choose what you pay. So that's if you have your own WordPress website and you're doing your own membership website 100% from scratch. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this. Like I said, this will be on my Notion template. This will be on my YouTube 100K loyalty masterclass. And I'm really excited for you guys to have access to the physical copies of all 16 of the videos I've done. I'm done filming for this week, and I'll be back next week. I just finished filming 6 videos, And so I'm really excited to take a little bit of a break. I am just finishing up with this cold. And so next time you hear me, my voice will be a lot more chipper. I have a lot more energy, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thank you guys for watching, and part 12 has a relationship update. So if you're interested in that, check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I guess.